No matter where you look across the Pacific Northwest, the price of site-based homes continues to skyrocket, placing the happy ending of homeownership out of reach for far too many people. We believe there's an approach to homeownership that tells a different story. It begins with high-quality, customizable, manufactured and modular homes, like the ones that make up Lavender Meadows in Sequim, a new 55-plus community where luxury and comfort are the foundation for an engaged lifestyle, and a blueprint for Washington's affordable housing future. The developers behind Lavender Meadows delivered on a vision that exemplifies what the future of affordable housing could look like across the region. Thoughtfully connected, low-maintenance neighborhoods with amenities that residents use daily. With multiple dog parks, pickleball and bocce ball courts, pocket parks, horseshoe pits, mountain views, and a modern clubhouse that encourages an active and close-knit lifestyle, Lavender Meadows' focus on shared resources and outdoor spaces makes it the sort of community that's both aspirational and wallet-friendly. What's more, the factory-built homes at Lavender Meadows are infinitely easy to personalize. Whether someone is looking for custom 60-inch shower enclosures, a chef's kitchen with granite countertops, or a site-built garage, the possibilities that spring from communities like Lavender Meadows are limitless and reimagine the future of housing as not just accessible, but truly a dream come true for homeowners.